Hi, this is Phil Kerner, the Tool and Die Guy, and with my second video in just a couple days. Well, I know the Facebook feed rolls by kind of fast, and so does YouTube, but here's a great story for you. You know, back in the day, for all you mold makers out there, you'd work 12 to 16 weeks on an injection mold. And look at this little guy. This is one half of a little man who was a foosball player. See the holes for his arms? Okay. And you got all done, and did you make the mold right? Is it going to look okay for the customer? Well, we call that mold validation. And the way we did it, we had this crazy machine called a Jiffy shot from DME. And we put a kettle on a hot plate and melt wax. And then we had this long tube. We clamped the mold up and shoot this hot wax in. Now, you had to make sure the mold was clamped really tight between the air pressure and this molten wax. I'm sure there's a building I used to own that still has blue stains on the wall where we didn't quite clamp it hard enough. We used to clear the whole area. But if you did it right, you could fill the mold. Now this is quite old, but this is a sample of a wax part of the same little guy here, okay? And then we knew we had our shutoffs right because the wax was a little more porous, or the viscosity was higher than the plastic, and it would show up. So we were happy with the shutoffs, so we shipped the mold. Well, how does that relate to this video? You're dying to know. You know, every year with this calendar, I wait for them to show up. And it's hard for me to look at it, believe it or not, because I work so hard on it. And when I finally get it in my hands, I have to go through it. I hope I got it right, because there's a pile of them here ready to ship. Well, they came out really beautiful. And the purpose of this video tonight is to let you guys know, I did one a couple days ago, but this is all I have left. About 10 left. There's actually 16 in this pile, but I have VIPs, okay? My kids, my boss, yes, I'm a brown noser. Everybody gets one. So there's about 10 left. So if you want to be in this stack tonight that's going out tomorrow morning, just click on the link underneath here. They came out great. They'll be a great addition. And, you know, if you don't want it for yourself, consider your wife or girlfriend. They will love to know what you do all day. It's just going to make such a difference in your relationship. I've even taken it to that point. This is a relationship building calendar. So anyways, to make my point, about 10 left. I'm Phil Kerner, the Tool and Die Guy. Order tonight if you want this to be yours to be in this stack, and they go out in the morning.